Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you an 8-foot rustic bar with a built-in liquor cabinet that somebody requested. So I'm going to show you around. Hopefully you're able to see me. But this one, it's an 8-foot one. And it's actually a little skinnier than normal what I build. The customer requested it like that because the area that they are putting it in is not that big. Lengthwise, it's great for them. Widthwise, it needed to be a little bit shorter. Normally, the base of it is wider. This one is pretty narrow, as you can see, but that's what they wanted. You know, they didn't want it just sticking out from the wall very, very far. It still has the overhang. Let me push this out of the way. Try and get much of this in there as I can. But yeah, all cedar, like all the other ones I build. All on wheels that are locking. Love those casters, those work great. And they are 125 pounds a piece. That's how much they will hold. Even though this thing is pretty heavy. Doesn't look like it is. Believe me, it's heavy. But when I build something, I want to make sure it's done right. So, see if I can squeeze it all in here. Probably not. But I haven't stained it yet. It's still in the raw wood. But I'm going to show you all the hinges and handles around it. You know, my doors that I make, the rustic ones. I made a video of that, so you can find it on my channel. And also, please like and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications for any other videos that I come out with. Here's the second one. This has a ton of space in it. Lots and lots of cupboard space. The third door, I haven't vacuumed it out yet, but you guys get the idea. And then last but not least, this one they wanted a lock on it. So this is what they wanted. It comes with a key. And right there you have a nice built-in liquor cabinet. I did build a wall for that side, so this way nobody can just open the cupboard and reach in with their little hands, or anybody for that matter. But this side, I did double wall it, so just in case, you know, somebody decided to get cute and let's pry off a panel and mom and dad aren't home and grab a bottle and push the wood back on. You're going to have a little bit of a harder time than just pulling a panel off. Because if you can tell, from down here, you can see the wood that I use for making my skeleton. Even though it takes up a little bit of room that you wind up losing on the top and the bottom, but having the security of it, knowing that somebody else can't get into it, I think is well worth it. So let me lock these all up, and I'll show you around it even more. Oh yeah, the little magnets that hold them on. These things they're good. They're double magnets, so they work really well. And they hold. This one's going to be inside of a house. This one's not ever going to make its way outside. So this is going to be in their home for a very long time. Just moving it out of the way here, just so everybody can get an idea. Oh, this thing is a lot heavier than I thought. All right. Try and show you a look at this side. So there is the other side of it. I haven't made the bar stools yet. And the bar stools are not going to be high backs. These will be low backs that will be going on here because they want to be able to use this, you know, kind of as a dining area for when guests come over. So you have your overhang right there. They did not want it on the sides because this thing needed to be 8 feet long. But for where they live, it's an old industrial building that was turned into condominiums. So this way it will fit in a freight elevator. So, with that being said, with this overhang, the chairs will be just like my normal design, but there won't be backs on them. They'll be a tad narrower because where it's going, you know, they need to be able to get in through their living room. So this is the top of it. You know, it's pretty much sanded down. This is all, the whole outside of this, the doors, except for the skeleton, is 100% cedar. pressure treated. If you've seen what this green stuff is, that is actually the copper that is in the wood. So there you have it right there, my 8-foot one. And I will be making another video soon of my low backs. I haven't made a video of them yet, so now I'm going to get started on them today, and you guys will be able to see that soon. So I'll get back to you guys soon. Please hit that like and subscribe and that bell for notifications, and I'll talk to you guys later.